Selling a property is about more than just listing it. It's about maximizing your return with a seamless and stress-free process. That's where my team in Calgary comes in. With over 150 successful closings under our belt, we don't just list properties. We handle everything from start to finish. So we have a comprehensive listing process, and a few of the things that are included are occupancy inspection. We ensure your unit is move-in ready. We have key pickup. At closing, we go collect them, no hassle, and we handle it for you. Marketing preparation. We take professional photos, and we have a great listing strategy and pricing strategy to make sure that we're attracting top buyers. Listing and sale process, including expert negotiation to get you the best possible price. And property lookout. We keep an eye on your unit while it's being sold so that you don't have to. Tenant communications. We can handle all of the interactions with your tenant if the unit has already been rented. And lawyer coordination. For anything that they need, we're making sure that they have all the documents within the time periods required. And closing and transition. A smooth handover after closing so that you can then move on stress-free. And unlimited communication. If you've got questions, we've got answers. We always have time to help. And perhaps most importantly, incredible insider knowledge. We're aware of nearly every pre-construction project that has sold in Calgary in the last 5 years and how to position your property for maximum benefit. And unlike many other agents out there who are just going to put your property on realtor.ca and hope for the best, I specialize in pre-construction resales for out-of-town investors. I promise that I will do my best to make sure your unit sells as quickly as possible, with as little stress and headaches for you as possible, and for as much money as possible. So whether you're just exploring options or ready to list, get in touch and let's chat about what I can do for you.